Nei ho, my name is Paxton. The world is awesome. I'm here to help you know and care more about the world beyond the USA. Today's date is January 23rd, 2021. Our first headline is, in Suriname, a country in South America, a big bird singing competition happened last month. That's right. Bird singing competitions are big in Suriname thanks to the diverse types of birds in Suriname that live in the rainforest. The event is more like meditation than competitive sports. Patience is important. Our second headline is, an audiobooks app will spread the word on African storytelling. Technology businessman Herman Chinery-Hesse, known for starting Soft Tribe, Ghana's biggest software company, is creating an app for phones called African Echoes. It will launch next month and have as many as 50 African words in different languages like Yoruba, Amharic, and Swahili. Our third headline is, think you could have the willpower to do this? Like Chi-wai, an athlete from Hong Kong, climbed 820 feet up a Hong Kong skyscraper. Whoa! Our fourth headline is, do you remember hearing about Alexei Navalny? He's a Russian protester that does not like Vladimir Putin, the president. He was poisoned 5 months ago. He survived. He is better. So he decided to go back to Russia. He was just arrested. What will happen next? Our fifth headline is, in Iran, it can be dangerous to post pictures on the internet. Still, some people do it, and they take chances. Fatima Krishvand is one of those people. She was arrested a few years ago for posting pictures of herself looking like a zombie on Instagram. For now, Iran has shown mercy, which means forgiveness. At the end of December, she was allowed to be free on bail, which means that she will still go to court, but she doesn't have to stay in jail while she waits. And our question of the day is, where is Suriname? Is it A, in South America, B, in Africa, or C, in Asia? And the answer is A! Suriname is in South America. Thanks for listening to World Headlines with Paxton. There's lots more news for kids at LNE.news. We're also on YouTube and major podcasting platforms. May your sweetness shine and your colors glow. Sources for today's headlines include CNN, the BBC, and the New York Times.